Hey folks, how's it going? This your boy EA Evan Anderson out of Savannah, Georgia. Just giving a shout out. Like I said, I'm from Savannah, Georgia, and I market online. Um, so if you're looking for the best home-based business opportunity, then I totally recommend that you get with the Empower Network and join specifically the Dream Team. You may have heard what it is. It's a viral blogging system. It's the primary flagship product, the blogging system. So you get a turnkey blog and marketing system that comes with lead capture pages, banners, sales presentations. It does all the selling and everything for you. So that's one of the quality things about it. And the products, the training products, teach you actually how to market online and get leads, and most importantly, traffic. So you're learning about how to market on the internet at the same time as you're part of a home-based business opportunity where you can make a lot of money and resell as an affiliate. So the whole time you're monetizing um, off of the same information that you're earning. So it's absolutely sensational. I've been on the internet for a few months, been in different kind of home-based businesses, and never just really had a whole lot of success until now. I realized that this business is all about traffic and driving success. So only thing I have to worry about is just driving that traffic, promoting and everything, and all of the complicated stuff is going to be done on the inside. All you have to do is send leads and traffic to the system. So yes, I do believe that this is the absolute best home-based business opportunity. There's not a whole lot of competition out there on the market. So join my team by clicking the link below the video, and I can begin helping you learn how to develop your marketing strategy. So click on the link below this video, and I love to work with you. All right, drop me an email, and let's get started. See you on the other side.